Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? We back with another one. You don't know, Jambisco Dan is back in the building. I told you guys I'm gonna be hitting y'all over the head with the reaction. Y'all ain't believe me, right? Yeah, man, I'm gonna hit y'all back to back. Right now, the way me feel, I'm gonna go up on a upload rampage. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna anytime I feel like to upload a song, I'm just gonna upload one. You know what I'm saying? Around the clock, bro. So even in morning, as in late at night, early in the morning, you're gonna probably see a video from me. As in I say, as soon as I feel the vibe to drop a video, I'm gonna drop a video for y'all. Got y'all. We're gonna keep the vibes going, the energy going, and make sure you give me the best quality shit possible. You already know what time it is. But anyway, gang, today we got a request from one of the Dan Mafia member. Damn. Yeah, man, the one that comes straight from I will drop the one again. Yeah, man, we give a proper shout out. Yeah, this is from Chop Boy. Chop Boy, big up yourself. As me, I say, real support of the channel. Appreciate you, gang. Yeah, man, he asked me to react to Wacko and why. As me, I react to Wacko many times already. I don't know why I haven't reacted to this song. As me, but it's always good when there's a song that I haven't reacted to as yet. As you know what I'm saying, we can always check it out. So yeah, man, big up Chop Boy for this one. Wacko and why, we're gonna check it out and sway dog. We always listen to Wacko over. You don't know, Wacko is a very respected Trinidad dancehall artist. It's me, I say everybody love Wacko. It's me, R.I.P. to the G. You know what I'm saying? But go check out the visual to one of them songs. This is Wacko why. So we don't deal. Wacko always drop some fire music, so I expect nothing less. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, let's jump right into this. Wacko why. Let's get it.
Go global, baby.
See, and he linked to going global even back then. Crazy, come on.
Six, yeah. Wacko.
Yeah.
Clock 23 with the red light. Bullet la drop in her neck, fuck up windpipe. Six.
He reminds you of Cayman 6, ain't it? They talk to him. Come on, let's get it.
Out, never inside. And my dogs love shoot when a fist fight. No, when I play that. From a link with the ups, better stay back. Cause me got something for go make a body lay back. And the next thing for make sure.
Come on, no money here. Yo, this be crazy. Yo, come on.
The body stay flat. 4 5s and K shot. The quang I love spray that. My evil dog ready for my
4 5 and K shot. The queen I love spray that. Two number over.
Them fresh body back to talk life shot in World War 3 when the 6 them match. Why them try? Why them try? Why them try? Why them try? Why them try?
Come on, this be sound like you going on a mission. Come on.
Why them try? Why them try war? And we bad from birth. Like them forget man a killer. Who bust skull pon bed and left blood pon pillar. And smoke up
slap. Them don't say we bad from birth, bro. You know say we bomb back, kill boy and left blood pon pillar. Yeah, tear by that.
Cigar. But make we start up the war, make we turn on the key like how we start up the car. Yeah. Them get catch cause them party too hard. Bullet rearrange face, look at gone with them jaw.
Up to your dog. I say with them party too hard, dog. There's him in send threat, but gunshot gone with them jaw, brother. To your man, scare off, head missing, man.
Every day a blood spill, plus me link with the dogs on the hill, and all the 6 love kill.
I link with the dog them pan the hill, hilltop badness, man, them a deal with. Come in,
you know, have to do the crime palm pill, puppy send for the M12, place full of spent shell, most evil man they up.
I'm like, this man that send shot for sking way back then, man said we not do crime palm pill. Come like, Wacko down, you know this. I'm just messing around there. Come on.
On your base could get sentel, dog, we just get the intel. Why we it no make sense? That's a shot grave. This the 6 done, dog, bullet in our face. War till the end, dog, we no want no peace.
Man say, war till the end, we no want no peace. To you, man, you no can't talk about no peace. Street and no peace around here, brother. To you straight till the end, bro, till everything go. War from the war.
Clock 23 with the red light. Bullet la drop in her neck, fuck up windpipe. 6 out, never inside. And my dogs love
23 with the red light. Bullet, stop up in her neck. Cut your windpipe. Come in, man.
Shoot when a fist fight. 4 5s and K shot, the quang I love spray that. My evil dog ready for mark them. Fresh body bag, 2 tag life shot in World War 3 when the 6 them match.
Fresh body bag, 2 tag. Boy life shot in, brother. Come in, Wacko.
them try, why them try? Why them try, why them try, why them try? Why them try, why them try, war?
Why? And they know we bad from it.
We bad from birth. Like them forget man a killer. Who bust skull pon bed and left blood pon pillar. And smoke ups like cigar.
No man bust skull pon bed. Pon pillar and smoke ups like cigar. Come on, man. Easy now, man. Say smoking ups like cigar, brother. I'm here, man.
Wacko then.
It's more my upside down here. Yeah, easy. Yeah. Pick up yourself, Wacko. R.I.P. to the G, man. Yeah, man, it was either in them time, man. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. And don't tell me you don't remind you of K-Man. This thing you remind you of K-Man. You're a freak. K-Man 6, dog. No joke. But yeah, man, gang, one thing about that one there. You see me, Wacko down. Why? You see me, I say real mad tune. You see me, I say real dope track, bro. Like, on the dark. You see me? You see me, dog, ready to go up on a mission when you listen to that one. You see me, I say, man, I say, why them I try war? When we bad from birth. You see me, I see a man who burst head pan bed and left blood pan pillar there. But yeah, do. Eh? Yeah, man. The man say, yo, we smoking on the apps like cigar around here, dog. We not play. There's a big up offer, dog. This is a dope ass track. That one like that one, man. That one can get it add to the war playlist. You see me, I say, when you know the war vibes, the mad vibes, the gunman song. You see me, the bad vibes. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, they can make it on the playlist, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, big up to Wacko Dan. People know anything about that one in the comment section. Let's chop it up, man. Let's discuss it. You see me? Who was a Wacko Dan fan when he was alive? Let me know in the comment section. Who was a Wacko Dan fan when he was alive? Who became familiar with Wacko Dan after he died? And let me know your favorite track from Wacko Dan. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Let me know what you think running Trini dancehall right now. Drop it in the comment section. Let's chop it up, gang. If you made it this far to the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. You don't know, help your boy out. The like helps me help YouTube push my videos out. So I get more views, I help my channel grow. So hit that like button, man. I appreciate y'all making this far in the video. Why not hit the like button? You feel me? Yeah, man. So you don't know, let's chop it up in the comment section. Make sure you drop that request. You're gonna get your shout out. You already know what time it is, gang. Your boy Jambisco. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I always say this.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy.